What's good, guys? So before this video starts, I just wanted to give a quick disclaimer. This video is pre-recorded and I don't want to take away from the importance of what's going on in the world right now. I know it's a sensitive time to post and stuff like that, but I know people use YouTube to get away from what's going on social media, what's going on in the real world. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm not trying to take away from the importance of everything. And yeah, like I said, this is pre-recorded. I'm going to leave some links down below on some petitions you can sign. And then also on BFLAKESSUPPLY, I am giving back 10% of the proceeds of the profits of what's on the web store are going back to the knowyourrightscamp.com. And yeah, I'll post a flyer right here. Hopefully you guys enjoy this content and hopefully you guys are staying safe out there. Yo, what is good, everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in back for another video on this channel. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Hopefully you guys are staying safe and enjoying everything opening back up very slowly. It is super hot in Vegas, so your boy's just staying inside, making content for you guys. So if you guys are enjoying the content every Sunday at 11 a.m., go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me, and then also subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed. But to be honest, this video is a little overdue, so I'm probably going to post this up on a Thursday or Wednesday. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Sit back, relax. Alright, so for today's video, we are going to be doing a Nike unboxing. Your boy was able to hit something on this sneakers app, which is crazy because I don't usually win on that app. And I know everyone really hates it, but your boy really doesn't win a lot on that app. So this one was a little shocking for me to get. And then I also have a box from Washington over from the people at Richie. I was able to purchase this on the Kill the Hype website. I believe, I don't even know when this released, but this was dropped at like 9 a.m. And yeah, your boy was able to cop something, which is crazy because obviously you guys probably saw the last video, which was honestly a blessing. And I was able to get a nice care package from your boys over at Kill the Hype. So shout out to them once again. If you guys didn't view that video, go ahead and do so because I felt like that was a very special one for me. And then I also have a pair of Air Forces to show you guys from Bring It Back Las Vegas. So we are just going to be showing you guys pickups on pickups on pickups. Alright, so for the first pickup, your boy was able to purchase these from Bring It Back Las Vegas, which is a local store here in Las Vegas who throws out some crazy steals and deals at times. It is a buy, sell, trade whole situation, kind of like round two. So shout out to Bring It Back Las Vegas. I was able to get these for $155 and I turned in two items, which was the Rolling Stones t-shirt that I got for $5 and then an FTP Undefeated collab that I got for like $17. They gave me $120 store credit and then I just paid off the rest in order to get this shoe. This is the 2017 Nike Air Force One Rockefeller, size 9.5. You guys see the box, the white Air Force One box, and then we'll go ahead and just show you guys what I picked up. If you guys know, you know. Honestly, I felt like I got a crazy steal of a price on these just because these are like very lightly worn and I got them for $155. These go for like $300 dead stock on StockX. Rockefeller Air Force Ones. If you guys know, you know, the leather quality is a lot different on these rather than a pair of regular Air Force Ones. I'll try and get some B-roll shots for you guys so you guys can tell the difference, but I honestly didn't see anything wrong with these just to get them for $155. Your boy literally paid probably like $75 if you really think about it because of the store credit whole thing, and I was able to thrift all that good stuff. So shout out to Bring It Back Las Vegas. Got these for a steal of a price. You guys have the Rockefeller sign on the back and then the Rockefeller sign on the tongue. So you don't have that on the regular pair. And then here is the Rockefeller pair. So once again, shout out to my favorite store in Las Vegas, always supplying the steals and the deals other than, you know, my own web store. So there you guys go. First pickup of this video, Rockefeller Air Force Ones. All right, so we'll go ahead and put these to the side. You want to say what's up, Rocket? Yeah, he wants to say what's up. Oh, what's up? What's up, my guy? Say what's up to the camera. Shout out to the young pup Rocket. That guy's always making my day. For the second pickup in this video, why not keep it with the whole shoe trend? You know what, actually I'm gonna do this at the end. So we'll do the Nike unboxing at the end. If you guys did watch the last video, I greatly appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't done so yet, go ahead and check it out because KTH Kill the Hype LA sent your boy a package, which was honestly crazy. And yeah, I doubled up on this item, whatever's in it. Alright, so if you guys did view the last unboxing, you guys know I got this hat from Kill the Hype themselves. They sent over a free one, and then your boy was able to purchase this one off the Kill the Hype website when Richie Lee dropped it. I believe it was like Saturday at 9 a.m. and honestly this had sold out within seconds, so this is my double up. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna keep this or not, or just give it to the homie, the dad life. So Rafi, if you're watching this, maybe we can talk out some things to get this to you. All right, so last but not least, let's just hop into the Nike unboxing. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know what's in this box. And honestly, I've made a lot of videos on this shoe this year already, which is kind of funny because they just keep releasing a whole bunch of colorways, which is just insane. So shout out to Nike for letting your boy come through and purchase this for retail, because I haven't purchased anything for retail in a fat minute. Your boy's been paying resale for all his shoes, which is stupid. But yeah, let's just hop into it. I kind of opened this the wrong way just because I didn't want to show you guys my address. And it sucks because I have to reuse this box to ship to Hawaii. Shout out to Dan for purchasing something off the web store. I'm struggling here. So here you guys go, the Nike Dunk SP Brazil from a couple weeks ago, I believe a week or two ago, I'm not too sure, but I was able to get these for retail, which is super exciting. Like I said, I haven't been able to cop anything for retail for a while, so shout out to Nike for letting your boy scoop these up for retail. And yeah, these are the Brazils. This reminds me of Fast and Furious when he was like, "This is Brazil," and then yeah, it was just funny. I'll play the clip right now.
This is Brasil.
I don't know, I lost track. Whatever the case is, I do think these are nice, but this is not something I'm going to keep in my collection. I'm probably going to use these for trade bait in order to get something else, just because I feel like prices will go up on Dunks. I mean, like, these are already at 400 and then these are already at 400, which is just fucking crazy because the off-whites are at 6, so if you're willing to pay like $200 more, you can get a pair of off-whites. And then the regular, I'm not too sure. Dunks are just going crazy right now, so your boy will probably end up using these as trade bait for another pair of shoes. But these are very nice. I just don't see myself really rocking this color. It's the Seattle Supersonics color, and that's really the only reason why I would keep these. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and try and let these go. These might be up on the web store. You might want to check it out. If you guys are interested in these, you guys can just also DM me. And yeah, so there you guys go. I was able to pick these up, the beautiful Nike Dunk Brazils. All right, so that wraps it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. Let's try and get this video up to 40 likes and 10 comments. I would greatly appreciate it if we can surpass that. Keep growing the channel. Subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed. I appreciate all the support lately. You guys mean the world to me. And leave a comment down below what you guys' favorite pickup was. Honestly, this Richie Lee hat is just crazy. It goes ham. I love it a lot. I like how it looks on my head. And it's just super clean. And the whole like signature thing, very, very nice. So shout out to Richie Lee and what they're doing over there. And then also the Brazil Dunks, super clean. If you guys have any interest in this, DM me or check out the web store. I'll have these up pretty soon. Yeah, so that wraps it up. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. You guys can also shop with me on BFLAKESSUPPLY.com. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe, stay clean, stay healthy, whatever the case is. I hope you guys have a good one. Peace.
Kill them all. Enemy dropping into the AO. I'm hit!
Yo, what's up guys? So if you guys are sticking to the end of this video, you guys know the drill. Go ahead and comment Brazil just to confuse some people who don't stick to the end of this video. But let me know what you guys think about these Dunks. Honestly, they're very clean and I like them a lot, but I do see myself wearing other colorways and all that stuff. So these will be up for sale like I said. But let me know what you guys think about these. Go ahead and comment Brazil if you guys stuck to the end of this video. I greatly appreciate everyone. If you guys haven't kept up with the videos, a lot of good things are happening, a lot of good pickups are happening, so make sure to go ahead and check out the past videos if you guys haven't done so yet. Go ahead and check out the web store as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Y'all have a good one. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys' love. Peace.